Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Karibuni tena kwa channel yetu Maranda High Tutor. Leo tutaendelea na question 20 tuliposimamia. Tuna maswali mawili tu tumalize section B, then tuende na kwa section A. So don't worry, we'll finish the whole paper ikiwezekana. Question 20 says the figure below is a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to 12 cm, BC equals to 9 cm, CD equals to AD, and angle ABC equals to 80 degrees, and angle ABC is equal to 40 degrees. So question A says, asks us to calculate the correct one decimal place, the length AC. Sawa. So tunauliza to calculate hiyo length ambayo iko hapa AC, which is this one, which I'm going to draw it right now. So let's just say that. So length AC, utatafuta vipi AC? So usually we can't use SOHCAHTOA for calculation because you can use it in the other triangle, but for the first triangle that we've been asked, you can't use SOHCAHTOA. Therefore, you'll either use sine rule or cosine rule. So for sine rule, if you look at it, you need to have a side with its adjacent angle, okay, which you don't have. So hakuna side and an adjacent angle, any angle opposite angle yake. So ukiona kuna angle but we don't have its side, so therefore we'll use cosine rule to calculate the length of AC, and cosine rule is given by this formula, which is A squared equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So in our case, let's use B squared. So we are triangle vile okay. So we'll just say it also, this one is applicable, C squared plus A squared minus 2B, not 2BC but 2AC, not 2CA cos B. So ukiona hapa hii opposite side yetu ni B, angle yake ni B, capital B, and the other sides are A and C. So I think this is A, this is C, this is A. So let's calculate the length AC. So calculate length AC itakuwa rahisi. So we don't know our B, so B squared equal to our A squared, 9 squared, plus C squared, which is 12 squared, minus 2 times 9 times 12 times cos of 80. So vile unavyoona iweke tu kwenye calculator yako. So let's just search 9 squared plus 12 squared. Okay, 9 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 9 times 12 times cos 80, which will eventually give you B squared as how much? 187.492 maybe. So if you find the square root of 187.492, so for you to calculate B, kama utatafuta B yako, so yamaanisha utatafuta square root ya B squared. So B is given by square root of 187.492. The square was eliminated because of the square root. So square root ya hiyo 187.492, so it gives you 13.7, one decimal place, remember. So 13 itakuwa kwenye calculator yako utasoma 13.69, but so one decimal place you round the 6 up, so it becomes 13.7 centimeters. 2 marks za bure. Tuendelee. The length DC, so the length DC, which is very easy to calculate as well. So draw kwa hii triangle yako, tafuta DC yako. DC is this one. So DC is this one. But now since you have B, it's very easy now to calculate for DC. AC tayari uko nao, so AC tunajua ni 13.7 centimeters, right? What we don't have is DC. What's the angle at for DC? The angle opposite to DC is this one. So at A, you need to find out this angle. So therefore it means that we're going to use a sine formula. Why? Is because we have a side which is adjacent to, which is opposite to the angle, and umepewa angle na side yake, so ni rahisi ku calculate the other side ikiwa utatumia sine rule. So, and we have a side also which we are searching for it, ambao opposite yake ni angle in which hatuna, na lakini ni rahisi kutafuta hii angle. Ukiangalia this triangle ADC is an isosceles triangle, inamaanisha opposite sides are equal and also opposite angles are equal. So for you to calculate the angle at A, utachukua 180 minus 40, itakupa 140. Your 140 is shared by angle at C and also angle at A, which is for you to calculate it, you just divide by 2. Therefore, so utapata 70 degrees, 70 degrees. So it means that the angle at A is 70 degrees, the angle at C 70 degrees. So tuendelee. So basically, so sine rule utatumia A over sine A equal to B over sine B. So A over sine A yetu ni gani? A over sine A ni ile 13.7 divide by angle yake which is sine 40. B over sine B ni gani? B over sine B hujui kwa sababu watafuta hiyo length DC, opposite yake ni hiyo angle ambayo ni sine 70 degrees. So if you want to calculate for the angle at so for the side at B, multiply by sine 70 on both sides, multiply sine 70 on both sides. So your B is given by sine 70 times 13.7 divided by sine 40. Now also our B is how much? So just take 13.7 times sine 70 divided by sine 40. So answer yako ni 20.028 or 0.28. You can write it to 20.0 kwa sababu ni one decimal place. Sawa, 2 marks zingine pia tayari ushapata. Twende kwa Roman 3. Okay, let me just I think paka hapo nadhani yatosha so that you can look at it carefully. So twende kwa Roman 3. The size of angle BAD, size of angle BAD yetu ni kwa wajiuliza what way is our BAD? BAD ni hii yote. So this is our BAD. So tayari part of that angle tunajua ni 70 degrees. The other angle hatujui, ndio tutafuta. Sawa, na huwa ni rahisi pia kuitafuta. So tuendelee. Rahisi kutafuta. So ukiona hiyo triangle, hii angle hujapewa. Side nini? Side yake uko na opposite yake ni 9 cm. Kuna angle na side yake, so umepewa. Unaona? So tayari, let me just draw this triangle tuone vizuri. So hapa tayari uko na 13.7 cm. Angle yake uko nao ambao ni 80 degrees. Sawa. Hii angle hauna. Side yake uko nao ambao nadhani ni 12 ama 9. Ni 9 cm. Sawa, ni 9 cm. So the same thing tutatumia sine rule A over sine A equal to B over sine B. So A over sine A ni hiyo 13.7 divided by sine 80 equal to B over sine B. B over sine B ni hiyo 9 divided by hiyo angle yake sine theta ambao haujui. So from there it's very easy. Upata angle waweza uka flip flop, yani ile angle ukapeleka juu side ukapeleka chini, as long as the other side pia umefanya hivyo. So sin 80 nimepeleka juu divide by 13.7 na sin theta peleka juu divide by 9. Sawa, so it's still the same. Ni sawa tu na kusema 4 divided by 2 itakuwa 2 over 1. Pia ukichukua 2 divided by 4 itakupa bado half. So then multiply by 9. So sin theta is equal to 9 sin 80 divided by 13.7. So kupata theta inamaanisha utafanya sin inverse ya ile answer utakaopata baada hii multiply na kudivide. So theta ni ngapi? So chukua 9 sin 80 divided by 13.7 itakupa 0.6469. Ukifanya sin inverse ya hiyo, so ushapata answer, just do sin inverse ya hiyo, itakupa 2.70668. I think nimekosea somewhere, unless kama ni mimi tu. Let me just confirm. 9 sin 80 divided by 13.7. So let me just do sin inverse your answer. Yes, so now nimepata. So answer yako hapa ni 40.31 degrees. Lakini kumbuka umeuliza angle BAD. BAD it also includes the 70 degrees. So hapo upata 40.31. But remember that you need to add 70 to it as well. So 40.31 BAD yetu itakuwa 40.31 plus ile 70 degrees. So itakuwa ni 110.3 degrees kwa sababu ya 1 decimal place. Sawa kwa hapo. Swali la mwisho. Calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD. So let me just draw the two triangles. So triangle ya kwanza hapa ni 80 degrees. Na tuko na 9 na tuko na 12. So tutatumia hiyo angle kutafuta area. How? By saying I have AB sin theta. So I have times A 9 times 12 times sin here 80, which will give us an answer. Most probably I have times 9 times 12 times sin 80 ambapo itakupa 53.18 centimeter square. Remember pia kuna triangle lingine. So in which ile triangle lingine ni isosceles. Obviously waweza tumia half base height, but as well yani waweza tumia half AB sin theta. So ukiangalia hapa, if you look at this, you have 40 degrees as your angle. You also have the side as well. We already calculated for the side and we say the side is 20.0. So this is 20.0. Also this one will also be 20.0 centimeter. This side is irrelevant to us when calculating the area of the triangle. That is because we usually take two sides which when they meet up to make an angle. So I have times 20 times 20 times sin 40. So I have times 20 times 20 times sin 40. So it gives you 128.56 centimeter square. Don't know why did I write centimeter cube, centimeter square. So let's add this up. So 53.18 plus 128.56. How much does it give us? Plus 53.18. It should give us around 181 to 1 decimal place. Remember 181.7 centimeter square. So don't forget to subscribe, share it to your friends. Now always remember that our tuition classes are still ongoing. So usipitwe sije kawa wiki 3 zimeisha alafu ukapata huu hamnazo. So with that, let me just end the class there. In case of any inquiries or any questions, you can ask me for using this number 0797550885. Sawa, wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi